Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to change the content languages on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, click on this application, the Bluesky application, and then go into these three lines up here, go to the settings, and next here you will find languages settings. Click on it, and now as you see here you can change the content languages just from here. So as you see here you can add Arabic. So that's it. That's how to change the content language easy and quickly, and that's it. Oh, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's it. See you in the next video.